Yeah, my name is Ryan Mackay. I work at the Citadel Youth Centre as the Youth Spark Development Worker, and recently we've been working with some amazing young people. Our sessions have focused on a combination of weekly sessions and working towards delivering a community outreach day. On our community outreach day, we had nearly 30 people at the Citadel looking and exploring green and blue spaces, all delivered by our amazing young people.
So my name is Jane, I'm a volunteer youth worker. It's been a really vital part of the week for me because I've seen so many changes within the group and seen mental health improve so much for some of our young people from attending and going out and socialising through using our outdoor app.
It's to do with your mental health, because people like me suffer from mental health and it's not fun. That's why you need green spaces or blue spaces to help you to relax or de-stress. So that's why we use our outdoors to figure out what park is suitable for you.
Hi, I'm Alice. I'm the artistic facilitator. It was up to me to ask the young people and the communities that we're talking to today to start creating some new versions of these currently existing parks. So the 6 linking Leith parks. I drew large-scale bird's eye images of those and we stuck them on the walls. And then the young people very kindly started to draw and add their own features that they'd love to see.
I think in terms of impact for this project, there's been lots and lots of really positive things that have came out. For the young people, I think they've grown in confidence, their self-esteem's improved, and generally they've grown to have a much better understanding of green and blue spaces locally in Leith. And importantly, it's given them a platform and a space to share and discuss how it's impacted on their health and well-being.
So the project is good because it helps people like find where they belong, help with their mental health. And for me, for using this app, I've had an amazing group of friends.
Being on the Impetus Accelerator programme as one of these sustaining projects has allowed us to diversify who is contributing data on the Our Outdoors app, and particularly to reach young people whose voices are so important in this area. It's been the highlight of my week, working with these really engaged young people, generating ideas, collecting data, and the next stage is to put all of this together into graphics, data visualisations and an interactive map to take to the council who will be developing these parts over the next few years.